Hey there, very quick review of a little product that I've recently purchased. It's the Timeguard, and this is a 10-watt floodlight, IP65. And the reason why I'm doing this review is it's another one of them. You get what you pay for with products at the end of the day. I'm actually sat outside at the moment in the car because I'm supposed to be fitting this thing as we speak. But the weather outside is pretty appalling, as we can see. Anyway, I thought I'd just give this a little bit of a shout out, to be honest, because it's quite a good bit of kit. It's a new product. Just having a quick look at the box here. For anyone who's interested, that is the actual product itself. Now, I'm not going to witter on too much, but what I like about this is, first off, there's no glass in the front, so there's nothing that can smash, nothing that can get damaged. And the great thing about this product is on the back we have got a loop in and loop out system for your wiring, and you actually get the little stuffing glands in the pack as well. Now, as an optional extra, you can actually buy, and in this case I bought a PIR. So all you do is the product comes like this, and you unscrew these 4 screws, and it's literally plug and play, and you screw on this plate and then just plug it into the back of your fitting. And again, it comes with the holes there ready just to bring your wires through the back if you want to loop in and loop out. Now, I have been told by the manufacturer that this particular product, one PIR will switch quite a number of these lights on, so if you want to go around the perimeter of a building, you can just use the one PIR to activate it. It also comes with a dusk till dawn sensor as an optional extra. You buy them as component parts. I'll just move that around, then you can see the product code. There we go. So that's the product code for that. Yeah, you can buy a dusk till dawn sensor, and it goes on in exactly the same fashion, and it will again multi-switch a number of light fittings. Now, another great feature of this light, if I can find the bracket, there we go, you can actually fit the bracket to the wall, and if you can see these hooks here, they're meant to be able to use so that you can hook the light. Obviously I can't do it because I'm holding the camera in one hand, but you can fix your bracket to the wall, then hook the light on here while you connect it up, so you can turn it straight down. Absolutely brilliant. You know, the only one criticism I have of this particular product, as with all PIRs, if you're an electrician or a keen DIY enthusiast, we've got the dreaded little plastic screws at the bottom. Now, with the time side, there is actually no increment timer, so it's sort of pot luck. I'm not too sure how long this product, let's just have a quick look in the manual here. Yeah, just sort of touching on that again, most of these products will come on for, say, you know, 30 seconds to 20 minutes or whatever they set up as. It's fairly lightweight as well. It's very lightweight and compact. You can actually pre-wire this thing before you go up and install it. Yeah, one of the issues with this has always been, I can't find it just in there at the moment, but one of the issues with these has always been that if your customer wants it set dead on 2 minutes, it's incredibly difficult with a plus or minus adjuster to get it exactly on 2 minutes. Now, again, I actually spoke to this particular manufacturer, Timeguard. They're an absolutely fantastic company to deal with. Their staff are very, very helpful, and I actually said, look, you know, is it possible? I would actually pay a little bit more money for this product if there was some sort of increment timer on there, so you could set it up for maybe, you know, a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. That would be a godsend, especially when you're positioning a lot of these lights at height, and you've got, you know, them all on independent PIRs. So, you know, a lot of customers want them coming on for exactly the same amount of time. They don't want them coming on, say, one for 2 minutes, one for 10 minutes. Everybody's getting a little bit more fussy these days. But overall, on my sort of rating scale, I rate these products, I would give this a 9 out of 10, definitely any day, and I would have no difficulty in buying this product again. I've been an electrician for a number of years, touching 25 actually, but this is one of the best products that I've come across on the market for a little light, and the output's pretty good as well. I'll try and do a little bit more of an in-depth video on it. It was just to sort of give people an idea of what's out there, because everybody buys cheap, then you struggle to fit them. And cheap isn't always necessarily the best, but this particular product I quite like. I really do like installing this. There we go. It's 650 lumens and the colour temperature is 5000 K, so it's almost getting along the lines of daylight, the colour temperature of it. So yeah, really quite a nice product, very robust, very lightweight. I mean, there's absolutely nothing in that at all. It really is a super product, and I just thought I'd share that with you today. Anyway, thanks very much. I'll see if the weather's baited a little bit now and get back to my job. Cheers then.